as you are aware, we are preparing for El Nino. The forecast weather in El Nino is coming. So in line to that, we have received a medical consignment for purpose of pre-positioning for this the predicted El Nino phenomena. At the same time, the county also has just got an outbreak, the second wave of a cholera outbreak at the Hagadera camp. So this and assorted medical equipment that we have received, drugs and cholera bed that we have received from WHO will go a long way in assisting to affect some of the shortfall that we may have.
WHO, World Health Organization, has been supporting the northern region and the Asal counties and even other parts of the country for capacity enhancement of all the health workers countrywide, and even particularly that WHO has a regional office based in Garissa to support Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, Marsabit, Isiolo, for these counties in order for issue on emergency preparedness. And currently that we have already received the supplies, commodities for emergency preparedness.
WHO, through its support and part of the emergency preparedness for the El Nino and the current public health emergencies affecting the country, we have been able to preposition some of the medical supplies, including cholera kits, cholera beds, IEHK and PPEs, as part of emergency preparedness for the outbreaks that are currently ongoing and those that are going to come.